welcome back to the channel. I'm in Scotland, first beach of Scotland, and we're at Stranraer West Beach. Now, some of you will probably go on a map and go, it's not Crown Estate. It is. I've also been online and checked. It's not purple, but it is blue on the Scottish one. And also, going on the website, it does state that you can metal detect on this beach. So nothing illegal. I've also got two police officers that are parked up next to me. They've seen me, they've nodded, so I clearly can anyway, just in case. But apart from that, the reason why I'm on this beach is purely because the weather is about to turn. We're looking at 40 to 44 mile an hour winds coming in tomorrow, so I'm dreading it. You know, I'm like in the motorhome when the wind hits. I hate it. So I'm going to try and hide up somewhere, but I don't think I'm going to be successful. There was one other thing that I did want to mention, and that's if you're after a coil cover, these are advertised on the relics. See that? RELIX. It's a website, and they're down as spade covers. There's a 9-inch coil in there, and they fit in the 11-inch coil. The 15-inch kind of a bit too big for it, but it protects it, and the sand and everything gets gathered inside it, so you can just tip it out so it doesn't go over all your stuff in your van, in your house, or in your car. So yeah, so if you're interested in them, go over to them. There's plenty of codes out there. I think Jelly's got a code, probably Jelly 10 or something like that. But yeah, just go over to it and put in the various codes. But as I say, go for Jelly 10, that's the one I know, and you'll get 10% off. Thank you very much, enjoy, see you at the end. Let's see what we find. Cheers, bye. Right, first hole, 83, got a wing nut. First hole, wing nut. Oh, there you go. Oh, yeah. Oh, there it is. Pass. I haven't got a clue. There you go. I didn't know if it was an aerial or whether it's a pen. I think it's more of a pen, I think. And there you go, it's got a copper end on it. There you go. No matter where you go, you're going to find them. Another vape. Another vape off of another beach. There you go. Then what? It's another vape. Oh yeah, the size of that one. Lost Mary. I'm surprised. That's the biggest Lost Mary I've ever seen. Another vape. IVG 2400, whatever that is. Tropical fruits, lemon and lime. Oh, pineapple ice, fresh mint, menthol. Oh, right, okay, it's one of them ones, is it? Oh look, it's rechargeable, so someone's probably not going to be happy. Never mind. I got an 85, 86. It's a little bit all over the place. There's a reason for that. This is another can. This time an aerosol can. I don't think that's a drinks can. Solvent abuse can kill. So yeah, it's a gas can, I think.